Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Vanguard with our Charles Schwab. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what do I actually recommend in both cases. You should use Charles Schwab or Vanguard. Then I'm going to talk about the fees and also customer service and like how it actually feels to use Vanguard or Charles Schwab. So just this comparison is going to be really hard. If you choose Vanguard, if you choose Charles Schwab, you're not going to make a mistake. I would use it for option trading, swing trading, and long-term investing, so ETF and stocks. I wouldn't use either of these brokers for day trading. Go with a Robinhood to lose money there if you want to day trade. I'm just kidding. I hope you're going to be a millionaire, man. So Charles Schwab offers you free stock and ETF trading, $0.65 per option fee. So for one contract, that's 0.65. Bond fees for free. Then you get like mutual fund 24.8. Comparing to the Vanguard fees, I would recommend if you want to invest into Vanguard ETFs, I would go with the Vanguard. And you can see right, ETF commission per trade 0. Then you get a standard version of stock, and you have to actually pay money for it. So just keep in mind this, that stocks are not free on Vanguard, only in specific cases. And to go further, fund fees, bond fees also 0, option fees, as you can see, 17. So under 500k investment, 7 flat fee plus $1 per contract. So this is like really expensive. Comparing to the Charles Schwab, Vanguard is losing the battle of options and also stocks. So if you want to invest into Vanguard ETF, just go with the Vanguard. But if you want to invest to stocks for long-term investing and also to options, I would go with the Charles Schwab. When we look on a trading platform and how it actually feels, it's okay-ish. It's nothing like revolutionary to use Vanguard or Charles Schwab. Like both are okay, but still, it's not revolutionary. When we compare how it actually feels to use markets and products, Charles Schwab also offers futures. Customer support is really great on both of these. Like, they are good. You're not going to make a mistake also in this department. I would really focus on education, like what you can actually learn, like from the educational videos on how to use it, the fundamentals and everything, because like investing to ETF is not hard. Day trading and option trading is hard. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. The one thing I have for you is that Schwab got also travel benefits with their debit and credit card. So that's another thing. And thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.